and welcome back to Midland Public Library's Junior Engineers, the program where kids like you get to tackle epic, open-ended engineering design challenges. My name's Jen, and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. Every week, you participate on Beanstack by doing 4 things. First, you watch the video. Second, you create something, you make. Third, you share with other junior engineers. And fourth, you reflect on what you've done. By doing all this, you'll earn the weekly challenge badge. Okay, so what is this week's engineering design challenge? Your challenge this week is to build a home that will survive an earthquake, a tornado, and a flood. By completing this challenge, you are gonna get the Natural Disasters Challenge Badge. In your Take and Make kit, you got everything that you need to complete this challenge. Let's take a peek at those materials. You got a challenge instruction booklet, a handful of straws, some pipe cleaner, craft sticks, and 2 old CD-ROMs. You got some string and some tape, as well as some recycled cardboard. Some other materials that you can use this week include a writing tool, glue, scissors, a sinker tub, a fan or a blow dryer, and a tray or a pillow. When completing the Engineering Design Challenge this week, make sure that you follow the engineering design process, which is a set of steps that's going to really help you think through all of your work. There are 5 steps in the engineering design process. 1, ask and define. 2, imagine and brainstorm. 3, plan and gather materials. 4, create and test. And 5, reflect and improve. And when you're all done, make sure you clean up after yourself. All right, junior engineers, it's time for this week's quick tip. For this week's quick tip, I want you to think about each natural disaster separately and about how they will impact your structure and your plan for building. Let's start with the earthquake. How will you make sure that your structure stays standing during the earthquake? Will you use strong shapes like triangles or provide additional supports inside of your structure? For the flood, how will you keep your structure dry? Will you elevate it off of the ground or will you use protective barriers to keep the water away? Finally, for the tornado, how will you make sure that your structure doesn't fly away? Will you use aerodynamic shapes like a dome? Or will you use a really heavy foundation to hold your structure down? Think about this during the planning stage of the engineering design process. All right, that's the end of this week's video. Good luck with the weekly design challenge. Remember to build it your way, no one else's. I can't wait to see what amazing creations you come up with. See you next time, guys.